What's up guys? Lalaroin niyo na gumawa ko ng bagong world. Lalaruin ko. Lalaruin ko. Guys. Habels. Use Habels. Spread Ligmas. Ay Liama. Liama. Though this world may not look or behave in the same way.
Ng mga magaling na abogado. Yung po pinagtatagapon. Diba?
Ko alam paano na ako makakasurvive dito.
Nakikita po
Kasi
na
may urimad ako.
ang gayo, nawawala na ba yung drug trafficker sa atin? Hindi. Sapagkat wala na lahat yan. Baka wala ng traffic sa atin.
Ano yan?
Pero bakit sa 2 taon ng current administration, marami pa rin nahuhuling drugs? And this time, they're smuggled. Ibig sabihin, dumadaan sa Bureau of Customs yan. Lumalabas. Sino umahawak niya? Kaya alam niyo mga kaibigan, hindi ho matatapos ang hearing na ito. At kailangan mo kahapon, tatapusin po natin ito. Ano man ang mangyari. Alright? So, our design to save lives must go hand in hand with the respect for the lives of everyone, including the accused. Oo. These are the foundations of our democracy, and they must guide all our actions as a state. The House Committee on Human Rights is leading these hearings because it is our duty to ensure that justice is served. Bakit po kami, kahit na recess ang Kongreso, dapat ako po'y nasa distrito ko? Oo, upang pakipagkita naman sa mga constituent ko. Nandito ako ngayon. Kailangan diba? Kailangan po natin ito. Alright? Duty natin to ensure that justice is served, not just through the enforcement of laws, but to the upholding of the values that define us as a nation. Our action must reflect our commitment to fairness, accountability, and respect for human dignity. Gusto ko lang sabihin ang isang basher natin
Halo ko.
sa pahayagan.
Naka-serious mode ako.
O bakit pati ang Kongreso
Too much ako nag-serious mode.
hindi pa ubaya sa executive branch of government.
Takot ako.
Sasabihin ko po sa inyo, the executive cannot implement any laws because the laws are made in Congress. Hindi po pwedeng gumalaw ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas na hindi na at ang batas ginagawa sa Kongreso. Hindi ginagawa. Kaya gusto ko
Sigot naman! Sigot pa!
we would like to see the rules of engagement of the Philippine National Police. Nasunod ba ito? Yung batas na dapat meron tayong due process. Nasunod po ba ito? Ito ba
Huwag muna tayo magtatawa sa kanya kasi baka maano niya
Hindi ko
din
na
ako.
lahat ang Philippine National Police. Nakampiyon natin yan sa peace and order. Alam po yan ng ating mga general. Kung paano kahit ako, kung mayroong human rights violation sa loob ng kapulisan, iimbisigan natin yan. Alright? So before wrapping up, I would like to thank my colleagues here for their dedication and hard work, particularly for continuing to work through the recess na ginagamit po natin. Your commitment emphasizes the importance of this hearing
Kasi pre,
and our collective responsibility to seek the truth. Again, let us proceed mindful of the gravity of the issues before us and the lives that can be affected. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Before anything else, again, I would like to state ano po, I will not hesitate to use the powers of this committee
oh ito.
to hold in contempt and even to arrest
Ito.
those people are taking pictures here. No one can take pictures or outside if you are Now, to continue on, I would like any of my colleagues to please make a motion to extend the conduct of this inquiry.
Wala pa siya dito.
Mr. Chair? Yes, magandang ako. Pursuant to Section 15 of our rules of inquiry, may respectfully move that to extend the hearing of this issue. So move, Mr. Chair. Second motion, Mr. Chair. There is a motion and a second that we continue on with the conduct of this inquiry. Do I hear any, all right. Hearing no objection, name is approved. I'd like to recognize Representative Joseph Stephen Calas Patuano, also I think in the Zoom today. All right. Mr. Chair. Yes, Congressman ako. Before we proceed with the interpretation process, may be allowed to ask whether the deliverables in the last hearing were complied with. For example, we have for the PNP, have they submitted a detailed report on the status of all 28 invited officers, delineating those who are able, retired, or active in service? May I know if the PNP has complied with this requirement? May I answer, Mr. Chair? Yes, General Peña. Mr. Chair, we have here the report of all the departments. Please provide to the committee, Mr. Chair. You have not.
Liam, join ka sa Minecraft world ko.
For the
Laro lang tayo.
if in the last hearing you were submitted to submit such requirement, it should be
Liam, join ka. Gagawa nga ako.
3 days before the next hearing. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi kaya
Mag-survive tayo dalawa sa Minecraft. Okay.
lang ngayon,
Kailangan natin mag-survive.
kasi nandun na po tayo. Requirement, Mr. Chair, for the PNP,
Wait lang, gagawa lang ako.
letter A to F. The,
Gawa lang ako.
they were required to clarify what actions PNP has taken regarding equal confidence
Gawa lang ako, world.
status of retired officers.
Ito na.
I don't have the report, Mr. Chair, but we can prepare a report regarding that issue, Mr. Chair.
Letter C, to submit PNP
Iyam, kung namatay ka dito sa laro na to, kung namatay ka dito sa laro,
by former Chief General.
may kikip yung ano mo, inventory. May kikip.
Nandito po ba kayo in the last hearing?
Mr. Chair, I was not around during the last...
Tapos pwede din kita TP, teleport sa akin.
From the...
Naka-cheats on ako eh.
Mr. Chair, it was Attorney
Wait lang.
Ayasin Santos.
Did you say anything about the requirement needed from your office?
Mr. Chair, our legal officer prepared a report, but those items required by this committee was not itemized. It was not included. We have not
Diamond.
those
Netherite. Kailangan mo diamond bago makuha netherite.
Thank
Oh,
you,
netherite.
you comply. But I would like to inform you,
Dapat nasa nether yun.
titignan namin kung ano
Yes, yung ano yung parang nether na ano,
yung mga dokumento.
lagay mo lang sa diamond.
And that is precisely why I'm asking for your compliance this morning insofar as the items that we have promised to submit. Now, you're also required to submit MOU between PNP and CHR.
Liam, wait lang, gagawa lang ako ng ano, server.
Memorandum of Understanding.
Basta magjo-join ka.
Did you
Naririnig ka nilang eh.
that?
Liam, naririnig mo ako?
What would you do with
Yes.
representative?
I have to make her explain why she did not include that in her report to me.
Oh, kasi ikaw ngayon ang sumasagot. Because
Wait lang, wag ka muna mag-join. Wag. Wag.
Tama?
Wag ka muna mag-join, Liam.
Command circulars and operations documentation.
Dito pa naman nagawa ng server eh.
You were
Wag ka muna mag-join kung naggawa ko ng server
I
na.
was not informed, Mr. Chair.
bago, may lalagay ako dyan bago. Kung namatay ka, mapapalik yung ano mo, yung item. Nandun pa rin na items mo.
Okay. Maki-group ko ba din?
Yes.
Submitted that compliance.
Hindi mo mawawala.
Wala pa tayo ako?
Comsec, have they submitted supplement?
Yes.
Yung inventory of cases filed during drug operation.
Totoo, kung namatay ka, babalik.
Don't believe it.
Anyway, let's take the word that you have submitted.
Tignan mo, lalagyan ko lang. Oh.
You're an officer and a gentleman, and I'll take your word for it. Please,
Ha?
meet relevant police to provide interpretation procedures and definition of terms like neutralization
Ayun na.
and negation in CMC.16 series of 2016.
Ito na. Join mo na ako. Hagawa na ako.
For operations, I was informed by our legal officers that the CMCs and all those documents that have been
Eto, alam mo yung ano sinabi mo kagapon? Laro tayo ng ano, lalagay ko yung scary seeds. Tetesting lang natin kung totoo. Nilagay ko yung seed.
Colonel Pasay
Bili.
or General Pasay was requested to provide
Join ka na.
the updated manual.
Okay.
Particularly changes made to English.
Testing lang natin yung seed.
sure the same was discussed. But I was of the impression that it was already settled insofar as
Gumagana pala.
the
Hindi pala totoo sinabi ni Kuya Lance. Gumana dito yung ano, yung seed eh.
implemented by the PNP is concerned with the chair, so I did not submit any written.
Join.
Could you submit in the next hearing?
Yes, Mr.
Thank you. You're supposed
Liam,
to
join.
submit the case report.
Yahoo! Dito si Liam.
Reports of the 61 police officers who died during operation.
Gagawa lang ako na...
1,600 cases.
Yes, Mr. Chair, it's
Liam, tignan mo yung itsura ng crafting table.
area which we have submitted.
Nagkaroon ng update. Oh, stick!
Thank you.
Ang astig!
Provide a list of the
That doesn't even look cool. It looks like it's getting cooked on. Like purple.
the circumstances
Different color.
and the periods of
What is wrong with your finger?
Nagkaroon ng update. Sabihin mo sa Mojang.
Hindi ko yung kilala. I just wanna
Sino ang
get
ano?
Hannah.
Naggawa ng ano, Minecraft. Sabihin mo, bakit ganito? Halika dito sa mines. Natakot ako sa'yo. Natakot ako eh. Let's go. Nakakupo.
Can you make me a stone sword?
Okay. Kalabanin mo yung mga parang kung nagkaroon ng mga horror dito. Yan.
Look at that sword. That looks cool.
Yes. Thank you.
Just supposed to be a mining place. May one dito.
Halika dito.
What's your mining place? I like that.
Yarangan mo.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Nakita ko, may nakita ko. Nakita ko! Nasa tree! Nasa tree! Nasa tree siya! Nasa tree! Bakit ano? Nilagay ko yun!
Scary. You look so cool. Help me! No, I'm gonna die.
Keep pala yun!
Ah!
certain Vicente de Guzman III, Mr. Chair. May I know the invitation was sent, and may I know if they are present in the hearings? Okay.
Narinig niyo yun, guys. Quit na ako.
Good morning, sir. I represent Director Telemo. I just assumed my duty as the director of the NBI.
Ang goofy.
Vicente de Guzman III is present and other officers of the NBI. I beg your pardon, Director.
Okay, bye-bye.
Just assume